Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now, check your iPhone is updated, then go straight to Settings, right arrow Accessibility, right arrow Display and Text Size. Once there, make sure bold text is off. That alone can add perceptible weight. Next, locate the text size control. We'll use it as the primary lever. While you're in this pane, note if larger accessibility sizes is enabled because it overrides small settings. You're setting the stage. Don't exit settings until you finish the next adjustment. Now, reduce font size with intent. Drag the text size slider left, watching example text, and stop when legibility meets space needs. If you need even smaller fonts, make sure larger accessibility sizes is turned off. It increases minimum steps. For app-specific control, add the text size control to Control Center, then open the app and tap the AA icon to set a per app size. Once done, test Mail, Messages, and Safari to confirm consistent results across your workflow. Finish by confirming display and brightness. Right arrow view is set to standard, because zoomed increases overall UI and apparent font size. After adjustments, restart the iPhone so all apps register the new metrics. If fonts remain unexpectedly large, toggle bold text off and on, or use settings right arrow general right arrow reset all settings as a last resort. This preserves data, but reverts UI tweaks. Troubleshooting tip. If text scales only in some apps, check each app's in-app text settings or the Control Center text size.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.